Make this really easy, really quick, and so delicious Chinese noodles with me. You'll be shocked at how quick and easy it is. So first I chop some onions. I love onions, lots of onions. And then I'm just finely chopping some garlic. And here are my noodles, chicken and onion flavored noodles. And I'm just gonna open the packs and put them in a bowl. So once I've emptied all my noodles into the bowl, I'm just going to pour over that some boiling hot water and make sure that the water completely covers the noodles, and just leave that for a few minutes to soften. So I have some oil in my very hot pan, and I went ahead and added my chopped garlic and then my onions, and I let that fry for a few minutes. Next, I went ahead and made my sauce. So the sauce just consists of some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, and also some fish sauce and some sesame oil, which gives it a nice flavor, and some brown sugar, just a little brown sugar to sweeten the dish a little bit. And then I added some of that seasoning from the noodles. My onions had been cooking for a few minutes, so I went ahead and added my softened noodles and gave that a good stir, just for a few seconds. I then added the sauce that I made earlier, and then I gave my noodles another good stir. So this is literally it. I made sure to stir till all the sauce was incorporated with the noodles. If you find that it's too dry, you can add some water and some hot water to this to just loosen the noodles a little bit. And that's it. You can taste it for seasoning, but you shouldn't need any more seasoning. If you do, you can just add some more soy sauce or some salt. But that is literally it done. So easy. And here's my dish. I have some boiled eggs and some tempura prawns. And this was so yummy and so quick. You can make this in like 10 minutes. Enjoy. I did. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and I will respond. Bye!